In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Meet app. On a computer, Google Meet does not require a separate application that you install like many other programs. Instead, Google Meet runs directly in your browser. So if you are using Google Meet on a computer, you are already very close to being up to date. Next, open your computer and focus on the browser you use for Google Meet. When you use Google Meet in the browser, you are essentially using the most current version that your browser is able to load at that moment. To keep it updated, you mainly need to keep your browser itself updated. To stay on track, make sure Google Chrome is up to date. Now, after you reopen Google Meet, simply confirm that everything still loads properly. Look for the normal meeting entry experience and pay attention to whether the interface appears as expected. If your connection is stable and the browser is updated, Google Meet should work smoothly. And that is the main idea for updating Google Meet on a computer. Google Meet runs in your browser, and if you are using a desktop PWA shortcut, it will update automatically when Google Chrome updates. Keeping Chrome current is the best way to ensure Google Meet stays updated as well. That covers everything you need to know.